Hey, I got a Subway.
I already ate.
You sure? I know the guy at Subway. He gave me a discount. I went to high school with him.
That sounds great. I gotta go. I'll see you later.
Okay. Hey, I had a rough day. Could you just stay a little bit, please?
Bye.
When are you getting back?
Never.
Terry, wait! No, Terry!
Yeah?
Honey, you're not going for good, are you?
You're going nowhere, Happy, and you're taking me with you. All you talk about is being a pro hockey player, but there's one problem. You're not any good.
You know I am good. You're a lousy kindergarten teacher. I've seen those finger paintings you bring home, and they suck! I'm sorry, baby. I think those finger paintings are so nice. Please don't go.
I am not spending the rest of my life with a loser.
Good, who needs you? Beat it! Get the hell out of my life! I'm so sorry, baby. I didn't mean that either. Sometimes I get so scared of being a nobody. Why don't you come back upstairs and I'll give you an old smoochy smooch? You know Happy will make everything okay. I want to kiss you all over again. I want to kiss you all over till the night closes in. Da, 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 da. Till the night closes in. Till the night closes in. Terry?